In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to install the YouTube app on Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Installing YouTube as an app is really convenient. It lets you open YouTube directly from your desktop or taskbar without having to search for it in your browser every time. Here's how to do it. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Chrome, but you can follow along in any browser that supports app installation. Go to the official YouTube website, youtube.com, in Chrome. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share, or More Tools section. Depending on your browser, the wording may be slightly different. Select Install YouTube, or Install App in some browsers. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Install. That's it. YouTube is now installed as an app on your Windows 11 PC. You'll see it appear in your Start menu, taskbar, or even on your desktop for quick access. Now you can launch YouTube just like any other app and enjoy your favorite content with one click. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips.